Hi everyone, so we're finally getting a chance to work on the Danger Ranger. We finally got the Ron Francis wiring harness ordered through Stinger Performance in. The harness came in about 9 to 10 days after we ordered it, which was phenomenal. Very quick shipping. I was actually surprised it came in so fast, and the instructions are absolutely phenomenal for this product. They really took their time. This is a 93 Ranger, so we could actually use the factory ECU location right there on the firewall with it. But you can also use this as a complete standalone harness for any of your other swaps. We actually consider putting this motor into a 88 Firebird at one time. So we'll see how that works out. But anyway, for now, let's go in the Ranger. And I'm going to take a look at this harness with you guys. And I'm very impressed with the quality of it. I know there's some cheaper options out there. You can cut up your harnesses and make your own. Guys, we were dealing with two 30, 32-year-old harnesses, trying to make them work together. It wasn't working very well. There was already some wiring issues. A lot of the connectors were broken. It just was not going well. And this was an expensive but really worthwhile alternative. Not only does it really simplify your fuse box, but you get all new wiring. It is super clean. And check this out, guys. This is really what sold me, is your wires are all labeled. I mean, everything is laid out there with what they are and what they do. Everything from your auxiliary fan to your ignition, it is 100% turnkey. I mean, if you can turn basic wrenches, you can install this harness. And the quality is second to none. Really impressed so far. Even taking the time, he's had put a little bit of dielectric grease, it looks like, in there. I mean, what else can you say? It seems like a very good product. I'm really excited to get it installed. We're going to follow the instructions, which seem like they're spot on. And I'm sure it's going to be far, far cleaner than what was in there to begin with. So this is the 1988 Turbo Coupe engine with the IHI turbo. Top mount intercooler and big VAM going into the 93 Ranger 5-speed with an 8.8 rear valve Explorer, 373 gears, limited slip, rear disc brakes. So this has been quite the project and a long time coming. We have a lot to get cleaned up because it's been sitting for about 3 years, but really excited to get to it. We got most of the factory harness out, and this does have the Ranger roller head conversion on it, or sorry, Ranger roller valve train swap in it. It has ARP head studs, about 140, 145 PSI across all cylinders, which is pretty good for a motor that only has 8-to-1 compression to start with. We're gonna set boost probably around 17, 18 PSI, right around the stock setting to start with, till we really get it dialed in. I expect that it's probably gonna make close to 200 horsepower, given that we have a 3-inch downpipe on it. We're putting an open intake on it as well. And, you know, once we get it dialed in and really kind of get all the bugs worked out of it, we'll probably turn up the boost and probably set her at 20, 21 and let her eat until we can get a T3 on there. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for everybody that's helped us with this. This has been passed back and forth between my good friend Tony. We've kind of worked on it and shared it between deployments. And we're just really excited to get the old girl on the road. She's kind of rough, but she's got a lot of history, and we're going to keep running her. So stay tuned. As always, be safe, take care of each other, and all the way.